The statewide mask mandate that goes into effect in the next half hour will replace any local ordinances. The state order says any child 6 or younger doesn't have to wear a mask, but Madison County's exemption was for children 2 years old or younger. WAAY 31's Ashley Carter took our questions about children and masking to one local pediatrician.
Here at Field Pediatrics, they have this sign on the door saying that they require masks for anybody over the age of 4 years old. He said that's a pretty good age for parents to start encouraging their children to put a mask on when going out in public. But he says he recognizes how hard it is for children to keep their mask on, no matter how old they are.
Little kids are notorious for spreading their saliva around all different ways, and so that's where the real concern is.
That's why Dr. Scott Fields, one of the head pediatricians at Field Pediatrics, says his practice requires patients 4 years old and older to wear a mask when coming in for a visit. He says it's not only a way to keep himself and his employees safe, but his patients as well. Fields says it's ultimately up to parents to decide which age they feel is appropriate to start having their children wear masks in public, but says he hopes parents encourage their children to wear a mask as soon as they think their child is ready.
It's going to be hard for some kids to wear masks that are under 6 and even older than 6. Some people, it's hard to get them to wear them. But I think it should be encouraged because I think it can help interfere with the transmission of the virus.
He says not to worry about if your child is too young to wear a mask because there aren't health risks for wearing one. He says getting used to wearing a mask at a young age will help them get adjusted easier, which is a good thing.
I think it's okay to start young. I think the kids may, if they get started young and if they get started in, even in home situation, just get kind of used to wearing it. It may not be that big a deal, especially if they see a lot of other people wearing them. It's just, that's the normal thing to do, like wearing a hat.
In Huntsville, Ashley Carter, WAAY 31 News.
Fields says with school about to start, parents should continue to encourage their children to wear masks now. That way it will get them ready for when classes begin.